Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Motorkid. It's early in the morning, but I'm just doing a quick video showing the puppies again. It's an update. They're 3 weeks old now, almost 4 weeks old, and they're walking around now and playing with each other and growling and barking, so I'll just do a quick video of them. Some of them are feeding. We're starting to wean them as well now. Feeding them cereal and rusks. And we're going to try them with some meat today. Some little chunks of puppy dog food. Those two are playing. They sound funny when they growl. Picking on the little runts are. Hello. Is it hard being a mum? Oh, the rain's coming. Well, they're all feeding now, so there isn't really anything else you need to see. See you next time.